The United States military has initiated a series of airstrikes in Syria and Iraq in response to a drone attack that resulted in the deaths of 3 soldiers at a remote US base in Jordan. President Joe Biden confirmed the strikes, stating that they targeted facilities used by Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps and associated militias to attack US forces. According to US Central Command, over 85 targets were hit across Iraq and Syria using various aircraft, including long-range bombers deployed from the United States targeting command and control centers, intelligence facilities, and weapon storage sites linked to the militias or IRGC's force. While the airstrikes did not extend into Iranian territory, they have raised concerns about escalating tensions in the region, particularly amidst ongoing conflicts such as Israel's campaign in Gaza. President Biden reiterated that the US does not seek conflict, but will respond forcefully to threats against Americans.